Hello my dear students, we people have done with your biotechnological application in agriculture, right? Now we are going to start with biotechnological application in medicines. For the same, we have discussed your humulene. What is humulene? It's your genetically engineered insulin prepared by Eli Lilly Company of America. Right, that we people have understood. In this video we are going to understand or memorize the role of different scientists. Okay, so first comes the first role is of your Sharpe and Schaefer. Okay, this Sharpe and Schaefer were the first who said that this diabetes occurs due to deficiency of something, and that something is named as insulin by this Sharpe and Schaefer. Am I clear? So उन्होंने बोला कि इंसुलिन पेनक्रियास से रिलीज नहीं होता. This results in increase, मतलब this results in high blood glucose level, and that is what I mean by diabetes. So have a look what I have written. First expressed opinion that diabetes is caused by failure of islets of pancreas to secrete a substance which they named insulin. To be more specific, आपको पता है this insulin is secreted from beta cells of islet of Langerhans. Yes or no? Three types of cell we people have understood: alpha cell, beta cell and delta cell. Yes or no? Glucagon ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा होगा आपने chemical coordination में, right? So Sharpe and Schaefer were the first to say that diabetes occurs due to deficiency of insulin, where pancreas, specifically islet of Langerhans of pancreas, fail to secrete this substance which results in high blood glucose level, which becomes in urine also. Am I clear? So this was contribution of Sharpe and Schaefer. Next come our Banting and Best with the help of MacLeod. This Banting and Best with the help of MacLeod, they prepare. उन्होंने क्या prepare किया? Pure insulin from the pancreas of dog. ठीक है, डॉग के पेंक्रियास से उन्होंने क्या प्रिपेयर करा बच्चों? उन्होंने प्रिपेयर करा इंसुलिन, एंड फॉर दिस दे गॉट नोबेल प्राइज. एंड हियर born day, birthday of Banting was 14th November, and this 14th November is celebrated as Diabetes Day. It is celebrated as your World Diabetes Day. Am I clear? After the birth date of Banting was very first to prepare pure extract of insulin from whom? From pancreas of dog. Am I clear, dear students? This insulin जो इन्होंने prepare करा था, it is slightly different from human insulin. So if we are taking this insulin, there is several side effects. जैसे कि it is responsible in causing allergy. It is responsible in causing allergy. Am I clear? Okay, why it is so? Because the composition or constituent of this insulin is slightly different from human insulin. Am I clear? So here comes your another scientist, Banting Best, with the help of your MacLeod. Am I clear? Okay. For your information, the first insulin was given to 14-year-old boy, that is your Leonard Thompson. That is your Leonard Thompson. Am I clear? Dear students, why we are taking insulin as injectables? Why we are not taking it orally? There must be some reason. Yes or no? Yes. The reason is that जो insulin होता है, here I am writing, जो insulin होता है, if it is orally taken, right, it degrades in our alimentary canal. आपकी जो digestive system सिस्टम है इसमें इंसुलिन गेट्स डिग्रेडेड एंड दस इंसुलिन इज टेकन एज इंजेक्टेबल्स. एम आई क्लियर? इसके इंजेक्शन होते हैं. टेबलेट इंसुलिन की आपने ऐसा सुना है? नहीं सुना है. ओके, द रीजन इज दिस इंसुलिन इफ यू आर टेकिंग ओरली इट गेट्स डिग्रेडेड. तो उसका कुछ फंक्शन सर्व नहीं होगा, राइट? एंड दस वी आर टेकिंग इट इन फॉर्म ऑफ इंजेक्शन. ठीक है. नाउ हियर कम्स योर अनदर साइंटिस्ट, दैट इज योर Sanger. Sanger was very first to say something about structure of insulin. आपको इंसुलिन का स्ट्रक्चर पता है ना? It is having 51 amino acid, right? Which is divided in two chain. This is your chain A, which is having 20 amino acids, right? And this is your chain B, correct? And chain B is having your 31 amino acids total. There will be presence of 51 amino acids. These two chains are joined together by a disulfide bond. Even there occurs disulfide bond in chain A also. Yes or no? This is the structure. This is the molecular structure of insulin which was proposed by Sanger. Am I clear, dear students? You should know that if we are talking about human insulin or insulin in any mammal, right, then the gene which codes for production of insulin is on chromosome number 11. Is on chromosome number 11. And we very well know that जो immature insulin होता है. So simply over here I am writing chain A, right? There is an extra stretch. There is an extra stretch. Yes or no? This green color one. This is your chain B, and this green color one is your chain C. Okay, it is called as your C peptide. What did it say? It is said as your C peptide, which is having 33 amino acids. Which is having how many amino acids? 33 amino acids. This C peptide, ये जो C peptide है, it is not present in mature insulin. Okay. प्रोसेस में जब वो जाएगा तो ये जो सी पेप्टाइड है, चेन सी है, विल गेट रिमूव्ड. इट इज गोइंग टू गेट रिमूव्ड. सो योर मैच्योर इंसुलिन, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मैच्योर इंसुलिन हैविंग चेन ए एंड चेन बी. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन बाय प्रो इंसुलिन. ये क्या है बच्चों? ये प्रो इंसुलिन है. So we are discussing that this is your proinsulin, which is having an extra stretch, which is called as your C peptide. As your insulin matures, so what I am saying, as your insulin matures, this C peptide goes away with your chain A and chain B containing total 51 amino acids. Now, my dear students, if I am talking about your bacteria, right? We are talking about genetic engineering. तो यहाँ पे we are talking about bacteria. These bacteria cannot be made to synthesize insulin. What is the reason for the same? There is an unnecessary segments in DNA जिसको आप introns बोलते हो. जिसको आप क्या बोलो? इंट्रॉन्स बोलो. ओके, दिस आर द अननेसेसरी सेगमेंट्स जो हमको नहीं चाहिए. जीन ट्रांसलेशन में हमको ये नहीं चाहिए. सो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर बैक्टीरियाज, देन डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस बैक्टीरियाज डू नॉट हैव एन एंजाइम विच रिमूव्स दिस इंट्रॉन. तो डायरेक्टली एज सच आपने जीन डाला, राइट? तो बैक्टीरिया आपको इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस करके नहीं देने वाला है. ओके, सो what Eli Lilly company did, Eli Lilly company, they make DNA sequences corresponding to chain A and chain B and introduce separately in your E. coli. They introduce separately in your Escherichia coli, right? They have cultured, they have isolated this, and they have joined this chain by means of a disulfide bond. ठीक है? तो this is your, my dear students, genetically engineered insulin. फिर हमने क्या शुरू किया था? जीन थेरापी. If we are talking about your gene therapy, right, then what we are doing in this type of therapies, we are normally replacing non-functional defective gene with the functional one. Yes or no? Yes. Dear students, if I am talking about your gene therapy, so there are two types of gene therapy. Number one is your germline gene therapy, and second one is your somatic gene therapy. Here I am writing, okay, you make next point in your notebooks, gene therapy, here I am writing, okay. Chalo, by the time you people have drawn this, right, please pause the video for a minute and draw the structure for the same. Insulin, okay, you people have drawn the structure of insulin, right? Now we are going to start with your another topic, and that is your gene therapy. So dear students, if I am talking about your gene therapy, तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, it is replacement of defective gene with normal one. With normal one. That is what I mean by gene therapy. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, it is of two type. Germline gene therapy, okay, and we are having your somatic gene therapy. Are you getting my point? So this is your another topic. This is your genetically engineered insulin. Okay, germline, in the sense यहाँ पे gene therapy is given to germ cells. In the sense, I am talking about your gametes, that are your sperm and eggs. Whereas in somatic gene therapy, the gene therapy is given to somatic cells. It is given to somatic cells. Am I clear, dear students? Today we are having this somatic gene therapy. यहाँ पे अभी हम नहीं पहुंचे, राइट, मतलब इट इज प्रोहिबिटेड, यू कैन से, यू कैन नॉट मैनिपुलेट जीन्स इन स्पर्म्स एंड एग्स, अभी तक ये नहीं हुआ, ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर जीन थेरापी, देन दिस जीन थेरापी आर गिवन फॉर certain diseases. Yes or no? Yes. जैसे कि the most common one is your SCID. What is this SCID? SCID is your severe combined immunodeficiency disease. What is it? Chalo, let me write it. It is your severe combined, okay, immunodeficiency disease. Am I clear? And one such example where people have understood, that is your ADA. What is ADA? It's your, yes, adenosine deaminase deficiency, which is very much required for normal working of our immune system. इम्यून सिस्टम जो क्या प्रोड्यूस करती है? लिम्फोसाइट्स. अगर ये जीन नहीं है, देयर विल बी नो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस लिम्फोसाइट्स. मतलब इन अवर बॉडी देयर इज नो आर्मी, there is no soldier who fight against this disorder. And finally, every other pathogens can attack our body. So it is written severe combined immunodeficiency syndrome, or you can say it as your disease. Am I clear? Then one more is there, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy. Okay. Then we are having your cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis. Here students, these are the diseases. These are the diseases that occurs due to single gene defect. That occurs due to single gene defect. एक ही जीन में डिफेक्ट हो तो it can lead to your SCID, Duchenne muscular dystrophy or cystic fibrosis. Apart from this, there are many disorders which involves more than one gene. Say for example, if we are talking about your sickle cell anemia, right? We are talking about your cancer. Okay, sickle cell anemia, cancer, we are talking about diabetes and many more diseases, right? In near time I can say all these diseases can be cured by gene therapy. Are you getting my point? Your sickle cell anemia, cancer, diabetes, hypertension. If I want to add some more, so यहाँ पे what I am reading, it's your diabetes, it's your hypertension. Okay, hypertension is your blood pressure. Then is your cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases. These all diseases are associated with gene defect in near future. The day is not very far that we will have gene therapy for all these diseases, right? And one such gene therapy we people have understood was given to 4-year-old girl, right, for treating ADA. What is ADA? That is adenosine deaminase deficiency. Lymphocytes निकाले थे, functional ADA gene हमने डाला था, then that lymphocytes are written back to that girl. Yes or no? Yes. But we very well know that ये जो lymphocytes हैं, right, they are going to die after some time, so regular infusions are required. So dear students, we people have understood your humulin, that is your genetically engineered insulin, and your gene therapy. These are some extra points that you people need to memorize. अब के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Somatic gene therapy, germline gene therapy we are not using. Am I clear? मतलब in the sense it is not permissible. What I can write over here? It is not permissible. अभी ये परमिशन नहीं मिली. Am I clear? So dear students, this is your application. Okay, I hope you understood this really very well. Thank you.